Usually they won't be quiet, but Mike Brookbank has a strange twist in today's Around Town as students at an Akron High School were shushing their teachers.
50 years of silence tops our list tonight as students at one Northeast Ohio school go through the entire day without saying a single word. It's a tradition at Archbishop Hoban High School. The stillness on Monday, a symbol of solidarity, before Hoban takes on rival St. Vincent St. Mary, considered one of the biggest high school football games in all of Akron. Now, this is just one day, but it got us thinking, what about those people who are silent every day? You have the guards at Buckingham Palace. Nothing can crack those guys. The monks who pledged their life to being silent. Mimes. Someone please get them out of that box. And of course, silent movies. And here's what's topping our list of things to do around town this weekend. Everyone loves teddy bears. Why not celebrate your favorite childhood friend at the Cleveland Metro Park Zoo's Teddy Bear Day tomorrow from 10 to 2. It's better in Mentor, and this weekend the city proves it with a festival in Mentor Civic Center Park. It lasts all weekend. And finally, it's Cleveland's Ripe Fest #3 at the Cleveland Botanical Gardens. The food, crafts, music, and tractor rides last all weekend. You can check out all these events on my Facebook page. For the list, I'm Mike Brookbank.